everyone. Do you want to speak English in daily life but feel nervous or confused?
Maybe you know many English words, but you don't know how to use them in real conversations.
Don't worry. Today we will practice simple English conversations for daily life.
Yes! By the end of this video, you will learn many useful English sentences you can use every day.
So stay with us and practice together. Introduction. Hello everyone. My name is Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Welcome to our English learning channel, where we help you learn English in a simple and natural way.
Today, we will practice basic English conversations for beginners.
These are the types of conversations people use every day.
Yes, for example, talking with friends, meeting new people, going to a shop, asking simple questions.
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
Our goal today is simple.
We want you to feel comfortable speaking English.
And remember something important.
What?
Making mistakes is normal.
That is very true. Even native speakers sometimes make mistakes.
So relax and learn with us.
Main conversation. Daily life English. Emily, let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great today.
That's good to hear.
This is one of the most common English conversations.
Yes, people say this every day.
When you meet someone, you often say, "How are you?"
And the other person may answer, I'm good, I'm fine, I'm great.
Or sometimes, "I'm tired today."
Yes, or maybe, I'm a little busy today.
Let me tell a small story.
Oh, I like stories.
One day, I met my neighbor in the morning.
What happened?
He said, "Good morning, how are you?"
And what did you say?
I said, "I'm good, but I'm very sleepy."
Sleepy?
Yes, I slept very late the night before.
That happens to me too.
So, daily conversations are often simple and friendly.
Exactly.
Learning moment. Let's learn some useful phrases.
Phrase 1. How are you? This means you're asking about someone's condition or feeling.
Example. How are you today?
Possible answers. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm great.
Simple and easy. Daily life conversation at a coffee shop. Paul, do you like coffee?
Oh yes, I love coffee.
Let's imagine we are at a coffee shop.
Okay, I'm the customer.
And I'm the worker.
Let's start.
Hello, what would you like?
Hi, I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure, small or large?
Large, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a sandwich.
Great choice.
Thank you.
This is a very common situation in daily life.
Yes, ordering food is very important when learning English.
Learning moment. Let's look at some useful sentences.
I would like. Example, I would like a coffee.
Another example. I would like some water.
This sentence is polite and very common.
People use it in restaurants, cafes, and shops. Mini story. Paul's funny coffee experience. Emily, Paul, do you have a funny story about ordering food?
Yes, I have one.
Tell us.
One day, when I was learning Spanish, I went to a cafe.
Okay.
I wanted coffee,
Sounds simple.
but I said the wrong word.
Oh no.
Instead of coffee, I said something very strange.
What happened?
The worker looked at me and said, "Are you sure?"
That sounds funny.
Yes, then I realized my mistake.
What did you do?
I laughed and said, "Sorry, I'm learning."
That's a great lesson.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
Daily conversation. Meeting a new person.
Now, let's practice meeting someone new.
This is very important. Let's start. Hi, my name is Emily.
Nice to meet you. I'm Paul.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. I'm from the United States.
That's great.
What do you do?
I teach English online.
That's interesting.
Learning moment. Useful question. Where are you from?
Example answers. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from India. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
Another useful question. What do you do?
This means, what is your job?
Practice section.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Emily. Repeat after us.
Sentence 1. Hello, how are you?
Pause. Sentence 2. I'm good, thank you. Pause.
Sentence 3. Nice to meet you. Pause.
Sentence 4. Where are you from? Pause.
Very good.
Emily. Practice speaking out loud. Paul.
Speaking helps your brain learn faster.
Funny moment. Emily. Paul. I have a question.
Okay?
Emily. Do you talk to yourself in English?
Sometimes.
Really?
Yes.
What do you say?
Things like, Paul, you need coffee.
That's actually good practice.
Yes, but sometimes people look at me strangely.
Maybe they think you are talking to an invisible friend.
Maybe.
But practicing English with yourself is actually a great idea. Real life situation, asking for help. Emily. Another common situation is asking for help.
Yes, this happens a lot. Example conversation. Excuse me.
Yes? Can you help me? Sure.
Where is the bus station?
It's down the street.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Learning moment. Useful phrase. Excuse me.
Paul, people use this to get attention politely.
Emily. Another useful phrase. Can you help me? Paul.
Very simple and very useful.
Viewer engagement. Emily. Now we want to ask you a question. Paul. Where are you watching this video from? Emily. Write your answer in the comments. Paul.
Example, I'm watching from Pakistan.
Or, I'm watching from India.
We love reading your comments.
Daily English. Talking about your day. Paul. What did you do today? Paul.
Today, I woke up early.
Emily. Good start.
Then I drank coffee.
Emily. Of course.
Then I worked on my computer.
Emily. That sounds like a normal day.
Yes, simple days are nice.
Emily. Viewers can talk about their day like this. Example. I woke up at 8 a.m. Paul.
I ate breakfast.
Emily. I went to work. Paul.
I watched YouTube.
Emily. Simple sentences are enough. Summary. Today we practiced many basic English conversations. Paul.
We talked about greetings, meeting people, ordering food, asking for help, talking about daily life.
Emily. Remember something important. Paul.
What?
Emily. You don't need difficult words to speak English. Paul.
Simple sentences work very well.
Emily. Practice a little every day. Paul.
And don't be afraid to speak.
Outro. Emily. Thank you so much for learning English with us today. Paul.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.
Emily. And share this video with your friends who want to learn English. Paul.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Emily. Until then, Emily and Paul.
Keep practicing your English.